Cross Country Road Show. RJR Gleaner has what you came for.
This week, the spotlight is on Region 2 as the RJR Gleaner cross country invaded St. Thomas, St. Mary, and Portland.
St. Thomas, we have to big up Jamaica.
Grace Baptist Church in Aracabessa, St. Mary was host to our service. Just the way to get us ready to take on 12 outside broadcasts with our brands, Hits 92 FM, Fame 95 FM, Power 106 FM, and the newly rebranded Radio Jamaica 94 FM.
Blood, no dead, no fish, no bread, no copper, no lead.
Then the weekend. Friday night saw the much anticipated Hits 92 FM Street Jam at the Triple P Lawn in Highgate, St. Mary as love was in the air.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I guess me no frighten of my people, I frighten of my people. No people of me frighten of me. Just I ain't been in street of me up and my mother. That's why me no love like what next one was for red and the drink.
Headlining the night was lovers rock singer Shuga.
Shark line, crime scene, yellow tape, funeral bright lights and that tape. They cook clean, some of your themselves from make it high. When we say one, sugar going like snap. They say go, make up their state foot, go.
It's always awesome performing, especially in Highgate. You know, the people them are always vibey and the reception is always cool. So excited to be here. It's always an awesome experience, you know, because I mean, you get a one-on-one with the people. You know, them see you on TV, they hear you on the radio, but when they actually get to meet you, and the meet and greet is always nice. So for that reason, I like to be a part of the show.
On Saturday, all was set for the fun day at Port Maria Primary, where our island, our village was in full swing. The road show was also out on Saturday. On the road with us were dancehall heavyweights Busy Signal and Chronic Law, plus Maca Diamond, Rhoda Isabella, Takeover, Exclusive, Kareem, Charisma, Black Hero, Zaga, Instinct, Diruption, and the Dancing Dynamites, plus Sanji and Presque repped for the RJR Gleaner with giveaways, fun, and calendars.
You know what I mean? I love the vibe and everything, and you know that bus something I'm used to that something from RE school tour days, you know. So you know I just that vibe there and a little joy there. I never do that something a long while like this. So the first time on the RJR invasion, John was across country, mad. I like the vibe. I have to big up everybody. A long time I don't really go through a certain part of Jamaica and really show my face, and you know what I mean? People them get to remember so we look ugly and rough and gorilla-ish. So you know there's something go, oh.
And cross country say one. Hey ladies, me say one more night, 'cause I can't do without you.
The RJR Gleaner cross-country invasion moves into Region 3. Look out for your favorite radio personalities in Clarendon, Manchester, and St. Elizabeth. Then on Saturday, February 22, bring out the family for our fun day at Manchester High School, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And the road show rolls out with Beanie Man, Kevin Downswell, The Angel, Maca Diamond, Ikea, and many more. See you on the road.
Brought to you by Cal's Manufacturing. Cal's, where quality joins affordability. Ministry of Health, Jamaica Moves. More moments, more memories, more life. National Chalk Sandwich Cookies, Grab one pack, have it all, till it's done. Digicel Foundation. Together we create a world where no one is left behind. Montego Bay Convention Center. Functional, flexible, focused. Rose Hall Development. A whole new world. Jamaica Customs. Country above self. Island Aries. Island Aries is Jamaica's BEST best. Guardian General. Get there safely with Guardian General Insurance. Financial Services Commission, promoting integrity in the financial sector.